So we stop, have a vinnige bier by Kabas, and like 20 minutes later we stop at that little
And then you can just go to
Okay, quiet.
Are you okay on your own, Kennedy?
Yeah.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers, manne.
Cheers.
Cheers.
On our pre-Botswana shake-up.
Bedrog.
Wonderlijk.
Wel, ons gaan sandreis as aankom.
Is dit?
Maar nee, is...
Tequila of Jägermeister?
Fuck.
Too late. Also,
Jägermeister.
Wat vind jy? Jägermeister.
Your friends, sparkling water.
Your friends know you well. Cheers, man. Cheers, Wendy. Kap op
Op 'n lekker trippie.
that thing. Otherwise, somebody will. If you don't open that thing, it's I smell it.
Puncture on the FJ. You might have to pump it to find a leak.
Stop. Go a little more.
And she doesn't drink, imagine.
Stop. That's great. A puncture is not breaking it. Well, hang on a sec. If your Lumia thing fixes your story, then it's considered a non-breakdown. But if you require any assistance in form of an air compressor, that's for inflating that. Only the Toyota drivers get a beer. Fuck you.
Jy mos kak.
Nice. That is lekker.
Pas jy my trus? Jock. So the trus pas in sy tentie. My foot equipment helping.
That wooden blocks is for
Smaal is jy? Trek in jou maag.
Ja, look at my six pack.
Dual walrus.
It's not as amber as a like a.
Dis kan jy met net gelyk of dit
It's nice. From Cape Town towards Somerset West. That engine garage. You turn right there, and just behind there, there's a complex. What's the clear as your car?
Olive.
Wat is dit?
Bron.
Vir jou se frons of whatever.
Nice name.
Yes, ja, that's got a lekker foto.
Nee, jy raak nie my tokkie nie.
My real cookie.
Yes, you chopping. I don't think you've had two of the same drinks in a row. You like to.
I was just going to put the steak on top of that perfect coals and then Estienne put a whole bag of wood on top of it.
Well, you know how perfect the goal's going to be afterwards, because that's proper goals there.
I told you Estienne's a collection. Lekker broodjie.
The butter.
Is jy reg?
Ja, dat gaat lekker wees. Ons 'n bietjie heuning kry, Wendy.
It's in a box.
Yeah.
There's a tree above
There.
you. No, right, there's a tree above you. No, it's not. My fuck! Fucking hell! Where is it? That was a thunder flash, not a.
Yes, it's Polish.
Yeah, it was just a thunder flash. I'm looking.
Wil jy weer gaan met jou?
Potatoes?
Listen, where all these fancy wooden boards coming from, man?
No.
It's like 4 of them I've seen so far.
Estienne sit nog buite, hy weet nie van slaap nie. I'm gonna sleep now. It's cold. Where's the lock? Môre. Hoe's dit? Ek gelyk jy. Lekker. Are you there?
Where's the way down now?
Ach, fuck, I'm slug. No, man. That's not fair. I can't.
not. Sounds like a you problem.
Hello, Kennedy.
What do you when do you work?
Yo! I thought I was bad.
No, but for pan-fried butter, for pan-fried...
When did you see Kennedy sandwiches today? He cut like, it looks like slice of cheese in